Time, SpongeBob's name was SpongeBob SquarePants, but a vampire came to his house and bit the pineapple. The vampires hate pineapples more than pumpkins, so he ran away, and then SpongeBob's house turned into a haunted mansion. And SpongeBob said, "Oh my gosh, what bit my pineapple?" And then he looked outside and he saw a huge vampire. And then he was like, "You little bit my vampire house. You bit my pineapple." And then the vampire started creeping to SpongeBob. He was walking square, and then the vampire bit SpongeBob and then drank all of his blood. I'm not kidding. And then SpongeBob turned into a vampire, but he was still a sponge. And then the High-Eye Captain, a vampire, bit him and then drank all of his blood. I'm not kidding. And then he turned into a High-Eye vampire. But he was still a captain. And then he was telling SpongeBob something about him. He said, "SpongeBob's vampire pants, a vampire bit you, and then you're a vampire, but you're still a sponge. And you have square pants. You have black pants. And you have a white shirt." And then he was singing a song about, "Are you ready?" Telling a story. And then he was like, "Are you ready, kid?" And the kids were so mad at the vampire. Then the kids bit the vampire, and then the vampire was a strange little boy. I'm not kidding. And then the captain said, "Are you ready, vampire kid?" And they're like, "Hi, vampire captain." And they were like, "Aye." And then the captain was like, "I can hear you." And then the vampire kids were like, "Hi, vampire captain." And he was like, "Oh, who lives in a vampire mansion under the sea? SpongeBob Vampire Pants. Who lives in a mansion under the sea? SpongeBob Vampire Pants. Who drinks Patrick's Bud? Oh, right, SpongeBob Vampire Pants. Who talks to Squidward and bigger his pants? SpongeBob Vampire Pants. SpongeBob Vampire Pants. SpongeBob Vampire Pants. SpongeBob Vampire Pants. SpongeBob Vampire Pants."